What's going on, YouTube? Thank you for tuning into another video of Roller Flex. This is Marcus. Welcome to another video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Punch that notification bell so you can be the first one to like, first one to watch, first one to all that stuff. Let's get to the video. All right, today we're gonna work on some of the things, little knicky-knack things that I referenced in one of my early videos over here about the issues that I'm having, or the little small knicky-knack issues that I have with the car. I'm gonna try to address those and fix most of those today. Let's move on. We're gonna try to figure out or work on it today. Maybe not be able to be successful. This is where I need you all's help. Comment below if you know a good strategy to recondition your leather BMW seats or leather seats in general. For instance, I know that leather seats are usually plush and soft, but this, I know that it's not gonna fix this, but this cardboard, this leather in this car is extremely dried out and it feels like cardboard. This is soft, but this is like hard material. So I need to get that reconditioned in a major way, maybe to figure that out. So comment below if you know a process or some kind of product that I can use to recondition and make this better. Issue number one was this little clock. The light was out. So most places, I've never seen a video on how to take this light out. So I'll show you all how to do that today. And you can notice this is a little dim. That's because I took the light bulb that was over here out and put it here just to make sure that this actually works before I go out and buy a bulb. To get the bulb out, there's actually a little notch right here that you're gonna put your finger in. And you're gonna wiggle around until you can get it out. It's gonna be kind of hard to get with one hand, but we'll see. So what I do first is, and you'll be able to feel it, I push my finger forward first to get it kind of free. It's gonna be really hard with one hand. I'm not gonna tell you that right now. To push it out. You're not hurting anything, you're not breaking anything. It's just I can't do it with one hand. And then you're gonna try to get the lip once it comes up a little bit. See how it's coming up some? There are clips at the very top. So you're gonna leverage, push out the bottom. You're gonna come around the sides. Hit the bottom. I'm gonna end up cutting this anyway. Just pull. We have it out. It's kind of dirty back there. I don't think this has really ever been pulled back. So, you have these little knobs. You see as of right now, the lights are on. I'm gonna turn the car off. You can either use a small flathead or a little 1/4 bit. Put it in. Put it on here. This is the actual dead bulb because I told you I switched them out. You turn counterclockwise, half turn, and then it just comes out. Pull it out. Did you all see it? Yep, this bulb is definitely blown. I'll have to go get another one. I don't think Advanced Auto Parts or anything like that has this bulb, so you can go to BMW and get it for a couple of dollars. I haven't called them yet or picked it up, but I will. I'm gonna put this back just so I can keep my clock running. I'm gonna fish around until I can get it back. Give it a half turn clockwise, no torquing or anything, just half turn, lock it in, and there you go. Push it back into place. That's it. That's how you fix the little clock or date bulb issue that most of these cars are gonna run into sooner or later, and nobody knows how to take it out. So that's how you do that. On to the next thing. As I was creating this video, I decided I wanted to make it basically a series of everything that I fixed. So therefore, I didn't create an outro for the original video. This is the outro. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for all the little quick fixes and the more detailed fixes I do with this car and this build. Just follow me on that, man. Thank you. I appreciate you. Y'all have a good one. Be easy. Peace. All right, peace.